Thank you. So let's do this one in here, guys. So let's do number, what's this question in here? Number 29 or number 30. Let's try number 29 first, okay? So number 29, you got the following. What does it say? Logarithm, right? 1 over 100 is equal to, what's this again, guys? Negative 2. Okay. Let's read step number 0 first, okay? Step 0. What do we have in here, Marguerite?
Is there only one log
Expression involved, right? Thank you. Yes, right? There's only one log expression involved, right? There's no log on the right. There's only one log on one side, okay? So yes, it is, right? Then that means we can use, again, how to solve log equations by the definition of log, right? Step number 1, okay? Okay? Yeah. Let's read this one in here. Emma?
Write it in form log A, C, or B.
Thank you, right? So you write it on that form, right? That the left side should only have what? A logarithm, a base, a number, all right? And the rest is on the right side, okay? So is this on that form? Yes, it is, right? By the way, if this is a common log without a base, automatic, what's the base for a common log, guys? 10. Very good. That is correct, right? So I can put 10 in there or not, right? Once again, if there's no base, it is called common log, and common log automatic is base 10. Okay. Next, step number 2. So basically, this is just the reverse of what we have done a while ago, okay? Okay, let's read in here. Candy, go ahead.
Convert to exponential.
Right. So since this is of this form already, you just express it into its exponential form instead, right? So what is this gonna be? What's the base number, guys? What's the base number? 10, 1 over 100, or negative 2? Huh? 10. What is the exponent? Negative 2. Okay. Is equal to 1 over 100, right? Get it, guys? So again, in here, it's not an equation. Well, it's an equation, but there's no x anyways, right? Typically in here, on step number 3, you're gonna what? Isolate or solve for x. If that would be the case, right? But in here, we're gonna end with that one, right? Again, because in here, you just want to express it into its exponential form. Any questions, guys? And again, you can check. Is 10 to the negative 2 power, is that equal to 1 over 100? Check out your calculator. Let's put it in here. Here it is. So if I use my calculator for such, we good, right? So I put in here what? 10, right? In TI, what's your exponent? You see this caret up, right? Can I use that one? So just click in here. Negative 2. So this is the negative in a parenthesis. Put a 2. Enter. Typically in here, on a calculator, you're going to get a decimal. In this case, it says 0.01, right? But if you want to write into fraction, what do? Press what? Math, right? Press 1, right? To convert into fraction, and press enter, okay? You get a 1 over 100 as well. Get it? Okay. Now, let us now apply that knowledge in trying to answer. Let's try in here number 35. Okay, so we now have the following. Okay, so let's apply this one for number 35. Number 35 tells us the following: 10 minus 4 ln of what's this? 9 minus 8x is equal to 6. Right? Okay, let's read step number 0. Okay, Olivia, let's read step number 0 for such.
Is there only one expression involved?
Is it? Yeah, just one ln, right? There's no ln on the right, there's just one ln on the left. So yes. You get? Next, step number 1. What do we do then? Kinsey, go ahead.
Write it in form log A of C equals B.
So in short, thank you for that. You just want to isolate this part, okay? You want to isolate this part, right? That's the log expression, right? In short, get rid of this, get rid of that. Good? Right. So how do we do that one in here? What do we do first? Anna? What do we do first? Do we get rid of the minus 4 or do you get rid of the 10 first? Get rid of the 10. Perfect. That's correct. So minus 10 on both sides. Here we go. Right? Cancel out. Okay. Hence, we got what in here now? Negative 4 ln 9 minus 8x is equal to, what's that going to be in there? Marguerite? 6 minus 10? Negative 4. Again, we just want this, right? Logan, what do we do next?
Divide both sides.
Divide both sides by negative 4. Very good, right? So, divide. So, this is going to be gone. What's this going to be? A number divided by itself, except 0. What's that going to be, guys? 1. Very good. Okay. Is equal to what's this? ln 9 minus 8x. Cool. Okay. Let us continue. So this is already done for step 1. Log, if there's no base for ln, automatic, what's that? What's the base for ln automatic, guys? E. Perfect. Okay, let's put E in there. Okay. Equal to 1, right? Now, what do we do then? Step number 2. Okay, step number 2 for such. Giselle, convert to, I can see it from there. Yeah, but convert to exponential form. Okay, so you can write it in there, right? So, how do we convert this one into its exponent form or exponential form? Okay, what's the base number? E. Very good. Ali. What's the exponent or the power for such? Thomas. 1. Perfect. And that's equal to, well, the remaining term is 9 minus 8x. Okay. Again, do not round this off, right? Do not round it off. Leave it as it is, E. Okay. Next, step number 3. All right. Anne-Marie, go ahead, please.
Isolate the variable.
And what's the variable in here? The x, right? So how do you isolate that x? What do we do first? The minus 8 or the 9? 9. So subtract 9 on both sides. Very good. Okay. So we got the following now in here, right? What is this then? Negative 8x is equal to, what's this? E minus 9. Get it? Again, you just want x. What do you do then? Last step. Well, at least for step number 3, okay? Cecilia?
Divide by negative 8.
Divide both sides by negative 8. Perfect. So this is gonna be gone. So hence, you got now what? X is equal to, what's this? E minus 9 all over negative 8. Okay. Actually, you see that negative on the 8? I can put it above and make it as such, right? 8 times negative E, negative 9 is positive 9, right? So either this or that, okay? That will be fun. Okay. And the last step, step number 4, okay? Madeline, last step. Always, for exponential and log equations, you always do the last step, guys. Go ahead.
X substitute to verify.
Thank you, right? So you see this X, put this X on here, right? And see if it's gonna hold to be true, all right? So I'm gonna use my decimals for such. And again, put it in here on the given equation, right? So what's the given equation for that? It says in there, 10 minus 4 ln, and then parenthesis, 9 minus 4 times x, 9 minus 8, sorry, it should be 8. So be careful with these numbers, guys, right? 9 minus 8, and then your x, you put in the entire x in there, right? What's that gonna be? The fraction between what? 9 minus e over, what's that? 8. Are we good, guys? Right. So, as we may see here, 10 minus 4 ln, parenthesis 9 minus 8, and then your x is that, 9 minus e all over 8, turned out to be 6. So yes, our log equation and our answer holds to be true. Are we good, guys? Right. In short, it's not extraneous, it's an actual answer that holds our equation to be true. Any questions regarding that? Good. Right. Thank you, Eva in there. And yep.